Wadhi nyime nyaka Ramogi ong'e mago motende kod weche mag pur. Tend kaonti ma Siaya osechako chenro mar pogo jopur kodhi mag oduma michiwo maonge chudo moro amora mar jiwo dag chiemo e kaonti ma Siaya. Ka oyango chenro mar pogo kodhi tan 158 mag oduma, gavana mar kaonti ma Siaya James Orengo osingo keto maino e siro jopur mondo gibed kod keyo mabup ka gitiyo kod kodhi mopuodhi gi jolony. Orengo bende oyango ni tan 228 mag mbolea manengogi oyweyo osechopo e kaonti no ma Siaya kendo imedo pog jopur. Jakom komiti mar od bura ma Siaya mochung' ne weche mag pur Fredi Komoro ojiwo jopur mondo okik kit kodhi kod kit pur magitimo mar bugo keyo margi.
When we incorporate soybeans, we incorporate sunflower and also the groundnuts, then we'll have another economic value of maybe getting what we can dispose of as a surplus. We must devise ways through agriculture when we commercialize agriculture and give our farmers the proper knowledge and the steps as to how they can make money as they remain farmers. So I also appreciate the effort done by bringing in new tractors through the supplementary budget. So I think going forward in the next budget also we are going to put a better budget that will help us procure more tractors, around 30 tractors, which will help us at least locate a tractor per ward.
We have taken trouble to ensure that these certified seeds are going to go to the appropriate areas depending on the climate, weather, rainfall, and all the climatic considerational parameters. And as you've been told, we are bringing these seeds in tons, not in bags, in tons. And we are hoping that this will encourage farmers not only to expand the acreage of farmlands in Siaya, but also increase the yield.
Wadhi nyime jotelo mamine e alwora mar Nam Lolwe